should eat. Mistakes. Every Python beginner makes learning. Python is one of the best decisions you can make for your tech career. But most beginners make the same mistakes. Here are the 5 most common ones and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Tutorial paralysis. Beginners watch course after course without building anything. After 10 tutorials, you have watched a lot of coding. You have not done any. Build something real after every new concept you learn. Mistake 2. Not understanding error messages. When code breaks, beginners panic. But error messages are your friend. They tell you exactly what went wrong and where. Train yourself to read them carefully before searching for help. Mistake 3. Copying code without understanding it. Stack Overflow and AI tools can generate working code. But if you paste it without understanding it, you have not learned anything. Always understand what every line does. Mistake 4. Skipping fundamentals to learn frameworks. Jumping straight into Django or Flask before you understand core. Python leads to confusion. Strong fundamentals make everything that follows easier. Mistake 5. Working in isolation. Sharing your code, asking for feedback, and collaborating with others accelerates learning dramatically. Join communities, share your work, and embrace constructive criticism. Avoiding these 5 mistakes will put you significantly ahead of the average beginner.